Hi guys, today we are going to discuss one more new topic about HTML. So step by step we have completed very basic portion of HTML, which is you can say which is completely theory also, like again markup, hypertext, then how to save, then comment, and today we are going to start very hardcore program based concept of HTML, that is formatting. Because when we are going to design any web page, the first part to design the text over there, how to apply color, how to write paragraph, etc, etc. So today our topic is paragraph, line break and pre-formatting. These three concepts we are going to discuss today, that is paragraph, a line break and pre-formatting, because these three are very basic part of HTML web page design formatting process. Now in this formatting, first of all paragraph tag syntax is P, then paragraph and then P close within angular bracket. As we know that P is for paragraph and we have to write the tag within angular bracket, and always we need to close the tag with by following a slash within the angular bracket. We need to write the same thing following a slash within angular bracket. And like this way, if we want to add n number of, I repeat, if we want to add n number of paragraph in our web page, we can use n number of p tag again and again. There are some attributes of p tag like left, right, center, justify, but strictly I must say that these attributes are not affecting in this HTML5, because in HTML5 these are not, you can say, required now. Okay, so we'll go through the topic in detail, why it is required, where it is not required when we'll write the code. That before that we are going through the theoretical concept of this formatting tags. Next is beer tag. Beer tag, the short form is beer. You can see the detail, you can see the full form of beer tag, that is line break. What is line break? Like here you can see, here we used line break, right? Here we used line break. After 2 we break the line. But in Word, in Excel, in PowerPoint, in many places, not in Excel, in Word, in PowerPoint, when we write something easily, if we continue our writing, then automatically it break the line. But in case of HTML, that means in web page, if you write something, it will not break the line automatically until you are writing a tag, defined tag for line break, that is beer. That means if you want to break the line from this place, suppose from this n, after n you want to break the line, so during writing of the program you need to apply one beer tag here before empty and after n. And one more point, that this is an empty tag. Remember this is an empty tag. What is empty tag? See, in the syntax of p tag, we started the p tag and we closed the p tag, and again we started the p tag for paragraph 2. But in case of beer tag, we no need to start, we no need to close the beer tag to start it again. That means whenever I need to break the line, I need to apply that beer tag in that point, but it's not required to close anywhere, right? We'll see through an activity after discussing the third part, that is pre-formatting tag. What is pre-formatting tag? In pre-formatting tag, we can apply manually formatted body to display on the web page. This is a very vital line. What is manually formatted body? And this is one point, that it is also a container tag. But what is manually formatted body? See, as I said, as per beard tag, if you want to change the line, then you need to use br. Like this, in many cases, if you want to make a list of some points in web page, then you need to use list tag. If you want to create tabular form, you need to use table tag. There are many tags for different purpose wise design, but pre tag helps us to make some manually formatted, like I want to make a list format without using list tag. I want to display some data in listed type format, so I can write those data by pressing enter inside of pre tag. So if I write inside of pre tag here, then the data I can get in that list format. Now if we can make it clear through an activity, not only this 3 tag, also the attribute of this 3 tag, we will go through an activity. Here HTML already written here, so I must write head, then head close, title, close. Here I am using HTML formatting P comma P tag br tag and P tag, br tag and pre tag. Okay, so this is my title. To make, I have written the detail in this title. Then after completion of head, we'll write the body part of the HTML. Now, first of all, pre-tag. As we know how to use comment, so we can use comment over here. Use of p tag. This is programmer note. Done. Then or user note. Next is I want to use p over here, and I want to, as it is container tag, so I am closing that p tag, and in between I want to write one paragraph. Right. Hi, this is my first paragraph. I think this video is useful to understand. So it's crossing the limit of my screen size, so I am giving one enter over here to make it visible, the whole thing. Now I think this video is useful to understand about formatting tag like P for paragraph, BR for line break, and pre formatted. So this is one paragraph I have written. Okay, now I want to see, I'm saving this program and I want to execute this program using my Internet Explorer. So I am getting the result over here, but I have given two things. I have given here, I have written here 1, 2, 3, 4. I have written here 4 lines in this screen, but I am getting as a result, I am getting the result as a single line. So how it is possible, right? So this is a problem. So here, before showing another tag, I want to make another one paragraph. Just I am taking a copy of it and I am just pressing this here. So I am used, just I am here writing, this is paragraph 2. Okay, this is paragraph 1. Okay, so I want to change I want to see the change first. No change, absolutely no change, but these two paragraphs are showing, but no change. So here I want to show, so I think 2 paragraph is clear, but change I can't show until I use BR, because BR is line break. So I need line break after each line wherever I want to use. So just I am copying this BR tag, and even in both places I can use it. Right, now I want to see the change. Let's refresh. Yo, right, now it's showing this is paragraph 1 and the whole paragraph is in same format as I have written in this program coding. The same thing here, I want to use BR tag here. Now I'm changing the front of each line, the position, I'm changing the position of the BR tag, because if I use BR here, then automatically it will execute after this 2, it will execute and it will get the program will get, program control will get one BR and it will break the line from here. So my target is solved. So let's see. Is it clear? Now I am saving it. The if this place and this place use of BR is same, then no issue, I can get the same output. Yeah, good, I am getting the same output through this way. So this is the use of paragraph and BR tag. So if I use the same, I am taking one more paragraph like this way. So again, but here I want to use the number 3 and I need to refresh it. Good, so it is working. So paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3, you can see paragraph 1, paragraph 2 and paragraph 3 is clearly visible. So this is the concept of P tag, use of P tag and use of beer tag. This is my whole program now. Now one more point I want to show over here, that is pre tag. Pre, and as this pre is also, as I said, a container tag. So as I said earlier, कि container tag need to close, but container tag need to close, but empty tag not required to close. So BR is an empty tag, but pre is a container tag. So here I am writing computer can be classified in two parts. It would be better to rather to write computer education can be classified into two parts. One is software, two is hardware. Now under software I am writing HTML, then Java, then C, C++. Okay, and under hardware I am writing, say, RAM, hard disks, let's see. So I have written this. This is all under pre tag. This is all under pre tag. If I close this, so I can get the pre tag only. So this is the part of pre tag. Now I must refresh to see the output. Yeah, it's nice, it is working, even though I have not used any list or anything over here, but it is working. So even see, earlier until you are using one BR tag or line break tag, you was unable to break the line, but now you are using line break again and again in this portion without using BR tag. You can see without using BR tag we are getting the same benefit, but there are some limitations of it, like this pre tag is just work like an image, it has no other power. So we'll discuss this concept later, but the concept mainly over here, that this pre-formatted tag is very useful when you want to write something, applying some design during writing of the program. So that time you can use this type of this pre-tag for your design purpose. Okay, so this is the concept, and I think the program, all the part is clear of this program. So use of p tag is clear. I want to use I want to write this comment everywhere, use of p tag and br tag. Here I want to write that this use of pre tag. Good. So already we have applied here some comment, 1 or 2 comments also I have applied, and the whole program is this, and it's working nice. So it's working nice. So good, thank you, have a nice day.